This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Are you ready for work, Miss Molly? Yeah? You wanna go to work? Gonna go fix a bubbler. Trying to go fix a bubbler. Put on a little electric blanket here. I usually start the truck up like half an hour, 45 minutes, and warm it up before I get out here, so it's warm for her. Yeah, it's my best buddy, my Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you are a Proudmaster HVAC technician. I know you are. You're a Proudmaster. Oh yeah, next level. Well, guys, December 16th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go work on a small little hand sink bubbler type of thing. I mean, the thing won't shut off, so it's like a daycare center. So I'm going there on a Sunday morning. There's no one there, so I can work. I mean, there's usually a bunch of kids in there, and maybe pull it apart and see if I could maybe change the washer. If not, I'll have to get some dimensions and order another one. It's a little bubbler on a small little sink. So I'm gonna go there and see if I can take it apart, maybe change the washer in it. He said it don't shut off, so. On these schools and daycares, I rather go work there when no one's around. I mean, it's not that far from my house, so take a ride down there and see if I can fix it for the guy. Good customers. Looks like the faucet's dripping, not the bubbler. It's just the faucet. The bubbler seems to be fine. Faulty information here. Oh, maybe it is not shutting off. Yeah, I guess not. Maybe I can take it apart. Yeah, look at that. I guess it's not shutting off, huh? Alright, let's see what we can do here. I might have to just get another one. We're gonna try to fix it. Get the water off. So we know that's probably coming from the hot side. So I got the cold off. It's still let's see if we get this thing apart and see how it's made. Can I fix it? I'm not sure if I can or not. We'll have to see. I can always go and get another one for the guy if I have to. That's probably what I'll probably have to do is get another one. But we'll see. We can take it apart maybe. Maybe there's something stuck in the washer. I'll put a new washer in there or something. Worth a shot. try that. Just make an adjustment on it. See if that helps. Should be like a spring in there. Something must be wrong with the spring. Maybe some kind of spring in there or something. Maybe we get it apart. See? Maybe we get it apart and check it out. Time for a new unit, Mama. Oh, yeah, next level. Time for a new unit, looks like to me. Yeah. They do make a pair of pliers with flat jaws, no threads on them. Get it apart. No, I don't think so. I'm gonna have to get another. I'm just gonna order another one. That's what I'm gonna do. Unless this is just all full of muck. See all these ball bearings and stuff? Maybe that's just, all this is full of muck. Give that a good cleaning, maybe. Because it did work sometimes, and sometimes it didn't. Probably gonna, I'm just gonna get another one. Play around with it. Might have just been that muck in there. Seen all that corrosion that was in there, right? I mean, it was quite a bit. No, I'll have to just get another one, that's all. She's not springing back. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. Yeah, it seems to be better now. Maybe we could fix that faucet while we're here too. Probably a delta quarter turn, maybe. Yeah, just so cleaning up all them ball bearings and stuff. I think that's all it needed, was clean it up a little bit, and we're good to go. Save the guy some money, right? We'll try the faucet next, see if we can get that part fixed. I'll take this apart. I think it's the hot side. I'm gonna shut the hot side off and we'll see if it stops dripping. It's probably a little delta kit, that's all it needs. Alright, so it's the hot side that was dripping. Maybe we could take this apart and maybe put a new spring and washer in there. If it wants to come off, it might not want to. It's a quarter turn. Ceramic disc type of thing. Wow, I don't think I can get it apart. She's choked on there. Sometimes you can't get these things apart, just have to change the faucet. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the faucet. Can't get it off. She's corroded on there. Nope, ain't coming off. I'll let him know see what he wants to do about the faucet. Here it goes. Sometimes you gotta put the pliers on it. Yeah, it's just a delta kit, that's all it is. Oh no, it's quarter turn. Ceramic. Talk about put another faucet on there for him, see what he wants to do. I think I might have one. I got a faucet in the truck. It's not a high spout like this though. That's the only drawback. He might want to go with a high spout one like this. I'll have to ask him. See what he says, see what he wants to do. Maintenance guy. It's not a crazy faucet I have only doesn't come up as high. I'll have to give him a call, see what he wants to do. I don't have a cartridge for that. Alright guys, just talked to the maintenance guy on the phone. He says he's going to change the faucet. It's going to be a high spout one. And I told him what I did on the bubble thing. He said, I told him if it acts up again, we'll just have to get a new one. But, that thing's not going to be cheap, I'll tell you right now. It seems to be working okay. So, he's going to change the faucet out, he said. That's fine with me. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go inside. Miss Molly, come on, let's go inside. Come on. Come on. Come on inside.